Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Petaluma local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating across the country or to the next state over is a big deal. You want to make sure you choose the right long-distance moving company for your specific needs. We provide you with the right team to make your moving day so much easier. When you need basic moving services or you want more, we offer what you need. Our additional moving services include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. A local California moving company can make your move much simpler. We provide you with the right crew to do the heavy lifting and save you plenty of time. Our team will get you down the road or across town much faster. Even if you're moving to a nearby town, we can help you with your local move. Hiring 3 movers means you get a team to streamline your move. We take a large move and complete it in just a few hours. Our team is very efficient, and we also know how to handle all your items properly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Petaluma moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.